Okay, you get off on the left side always, and you face the head. This is the back. For this is totally different than English riding. This is, you have something to remember. In English riding, you got it with two hands. Not in Mexico. In Mexico Western riding, you got it with only one hand, always. Because, okay, first, to make it walk, you kick it on the heels. Walks. To stop, you pull a little bit. But you can't pull too much because if you pull back, it's reverse. And this car doesn't have the beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, very good.
Well, he's had kind of a left curve to him. I don't think he's going to
Go after that one. Oh yeah. There we go.
Wat is mijn water nou nog? Ik heb niet naar beneden te kijken.
Okay, we're going to have a crash now. Airbags.
They're built into the horn.
Warren, pull that thing. That's not so hard so far.
Oh, I can't get mine to go.
Oh, yeah.
En je hem sturen.
Ik weet niet hoe dat inbrandt.
Huh?
Je
moet niet trekken, want dan stopt hij weer.
Uh-huh. Any other instructions? Come on.
Trekken?
Ja, het is gek.
Nope. Oh, I'm sure it'll go eventually.
Luister maar naar. Naam niet eens, is dat wel?
Ik ben al 3 meter vooruit. Ik weet het ook al niet meer.
I'm going to turn around in a circle.
Nou, ik heb een wit paard en
Show
een
off.
rode laadje. Dat kan haast niet mis.
Dat wil niet hoor, echt niet.
There.
It's brother.
En voor mij die is donker. Ik doe niks.
What's your horse's name?
I've forgotten.
I think everybody's forgotten it.
Yeah.
Oh, well there I go.